Hello kids. Today we will learn capital alphabet, numbers and small alphabet. Let's start. Say with me color. Violet, red, baby pink, blue, pink, sky blue, green. Now write with me and say with me letter. Write with me A. Say with me A. Write with me B. Say with me B. Write with me C. Say with me C. Write with me D. Say with me D. E. Say with me E. F. Say with me F. G. Say with me G. Ace. Say with me Ace. I. Say with me I. J. Say with me J. K. Say with me K. L. Say with me L. M. Say with me M. N. Say with me N. O. Say with me O. P. Say with me P. Q. Say with me Q. R. Say with me R. S. Say with me S. T. Say with me T. U. Say with me U. V. Say with me V. W. Say with me W. X. Say with me, X. Y. Say with me, Y. Z. Say with me, Z. Say with me numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye kids. Subscribe for more videos.